Declines in Shiba Inu coin are no different than declines in Bitcoin right now, or Ethereum, or Solana. But guys, we are still in a very bullish trend. We are still looking very good, and the cryptocurrency space still has plenty of catalysts on the horizon. Now, we're going to be talking about this recent decline because it's nothing more than some profit taking, as some investors are maybe getting a little spooked about what's currently going on and the transition of power between the current administration and the new administration here in the United States. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, $426 million in the largest sell-off since 2022. And guys, the price of Shiba Inu coin, sure, it fell yesterday, but it is still maintaining its bullish trend. So, I'm not panicking yet. I'm not worrying yet. $400 million was just made. Where do you think that money's going to go back into when it starts to tick back up? They're not cashing that out for fiat, man. They're going to be putting that back into crypto and most likely back into Shiba Inu coin when things turn around here. So we'll discuss it a little bit more, but I do want to say if you guys have been thinking about diversifying into some of the smaller meme coins, make sure to check out Pepe Meme. Now, Pepe Meme has done a phenomenal job of raising $3.91 million so far with 3,117 holders, an 8% bonus for whales, and a beautiful price action of bottom left to upper right. Now, clearly, there's not a single red day, but that's because you can't sell during a pre-sale. You can sell on launch day, and trust me when I tell you, people will be booking their profits on launch day. So if you're considering getting in, you may want to consider booking some profit as well. 10 Solana right now is going to be worth $8,555 on launch day, which is an incredible gain. And anytime you can more than 4x your money in a short period of time, people are going to book that. It's obvious. So all you got to do is beat them to it. I mean, the guys watching this video right now, all you got to do is beat these other guys to it, and you're going to be good to go. You have want live transactions, leaderboard, calculate how much money you're going to make. All that stuff is on their website. And, of course, you can see everything that they're building. Telegram games, Apple App Store, Google Play Store coming soon, staking, all of this good stuff. But this is my favorite part. 540,000 followers out on their X account. This is a huge community. This is a huge project, guys. And they may not be getting as much marketing. It may not be getting as much attention as some of the other projects out there. But this is a very strong community. And that's one of the most important factors when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially meme coins. So make sure to check that out. But let's discuss Shiba Inu coin and what's happening here, because $426 million is a lot of money. And that was the largest sell-off, or the largest profit-taking day since 2022. And we're still in that bullish trend. It says that sellers offload coins for profit. On January 7th, so this is yesterday, and this coincides with this very large red candle here, taking SHIB from about 24.50 down to 21.50. Now, that is a very large decline. It was a very large decline not only in Shiba Inu coin, but in Bitcoin yesterday as well. So it was profit-taking, or it was a sell-off across the board, not Shiba Inu coin specific. I want to be very clear on that first. But it says, on January 7th, SHIB's network realized profit and loss, or NPL, totaled $426 million, marking its highest single-day value since February of 2022. And February of 2022, guys, was really when that bear market began. You had a little bit of a downtrend in December and January after the all-time highs were reached, and some steady, slower moves to the downside. But February is really when people began to wonder, what is happening here? Is this a bull market dip, or is something more coming? And therefore, you would see the largest single-day profit-taking that we've seen so far. It says a coin's net profit and loss measures the difference between the price at which the asset was moved or sold and the current price. It tells us how much profit or loss users on the network realize. Right? So when they put that in their wallet and the price that they put it in versus the price that they put it, or the price that they moved it out of right now, and therefore $426 million worth of profit. It doesn't mean that that was the highest selling day. It doesn't mean that that was the largest sell-off. It simply means that that was the largest profit-taking day. So you could have traders, right? This is just an example, but you could have some guy come in and he buys 4 or 5 guys that buy $100 million worth, and then the next day they sell $100 million worth, but their profit's only $1 million each. Nice little 1% gain. That would not make or equate to the largest profit or NPL day that SHIB has experienced, because of course 5 guys making $1 million each is only $5 million in profit, but you can easily see how $500 million would be moved on a day like that. When an asset's net profit loss spikes upward, it indicates that a significant portion of the cryptocurrency held by investors is being sold at a profit. This sudden influx of selling pressure can exert downward pressure on the asset's price, especially when the market cannot absorb the increased supply. And then he goes on to talk about the RSI and so on, and possibly more declines ahead. I'm not worried about the price of Shiba Inu coin right now until it declines through this level. This is very significant. Not only does it mark the ascending trend line of higher lows, but it also is a nice horizontal level around that 2,000 point per coin mark. If we break down through that, then I may be concerned. But my overall focus right now is Bitcoin. My overall focus right now is the new administration. Guys, we are literally days away from an administration here in the United States that is going to embrace the cryptocurrency space, that we could flourish for 4 to 8 years, or maybe even more, right? We never know. I don't know what the next decade brings. I don't know what tomorrow brings, to be honest with you. And letting go of that, right? Letting go of the, determination to predict the future and always be right about what happens next is very freeing. And with that, I just simply look at what's happening now. Right now, the pattern is bullish. Shiba Inu coin continues to hit higher highs. Shiba Inu coin continues to hit higher lows. And we are simply right here at a major support level. In fact, this is a very good level to accumulate if this trend continues on. So knowing that, I feel confident that unless the crypto market experiences another hit and Bitcoin's back down in the 80,000 mark, I expect Shiba Inu coin to continue rising. And I expect that traders would view it that way as well. So knowing that, if you're looking at accumulating, or if you want to buy more Shiba Inu coin, you can go out to Coinbase and Crypto.com and Robinhood and all those places, or you can go trade it on Leverage. The KSEX exchange has the best selection of meme coins that I've ever seen in the United States. I mean, you can see all of these memes here. Some of them go down to like $100,000 market caps or even lower. So make sure to check out the selection of meme coins on the KSEX exchange. But they allow you to trade on up to 100x leverage, down to 5x leverage. The BitUnix exchange, you're watching Bitcoin fall back down and possibly even test this support level at 92,000 again. But the BitUnix exchange allows you to trade on up to 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage. It's a lot more lenient, but of course, please understand the risk to reward ratio of trading on leverage before you guys go out there and open any position. It's a lot riskier. Sure, you can have a higher reward, but you got to understand that risk as well. Let me know what you guys are doing about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.